Good morning, traders. Goblin Town. Big dump. How's everybody doing? Wow, look at these charts, man. Holy shit. We are falling apart, except for Bitcoin, except for crypto, the only thing that's hanging in there. Holy fuck. How are you guys doing? Everybody well? I hope you guys bought some crypto, man. That could have been it, you know what I mean? That could have been the low. I still think we might see another low, but even me, I didn't get everything in that I wanted to. We'll look over the crypto charts. It's probably the most important thing right now. Until we've gained. My stop on the short is here. So we'll see. Big level coming up. It's going to be a big short zone. We shall see. Let's look at the bigger time frame. Oops. Yeah, so we're gaining the weekly. We'll see how this weekly closes. We're gaining the weekly now. It's kind of a big deal, man. That could have been it. I did mention that. You know what I mean? I did tell you guys I started a DCA. I didn't get it as much as I wanted to in, but I did start DCAing in. Now that we've gained if we gain the weekly on a retest of this, I have to buy it now. If they even give you an opportunity. Like back here, they didn't even give you an opportunity to buy it. We'll see though. I have a feeling they're going to smash down this weekly. And if we close down here, it's not even close to as good. But if we end the weekly way up here, it looks pretty good for crypto. I think we're headed back. We'll see. I may close the shorts. Look at XRP gaining the weekly also. You know, we had this level marked. I said this was the start of the DCA, you know, but we'll see. Again, they are gaining the weekly as of now. There's still a few days left in the week here, man. It's only Thursday. This shit stays open until Sunday. So this could easily come back down. We shall see. Pretty good relief rally though. If you're still a bear, then you know, once this gets back up to this weekly, it's time to start exiting some positions, you know. But honestly, I wouldn't. I'm adding to positions now, so on a retest of this weekly, we'll see how this weekly closes. Someone was asking about ADA yesterday. Yeah, he still didn't gain the weekly, you know. Not a very convincing gain. The reason I came early is because we're dipping here, man. We're dipping hard, and we're starting to take out 4-hour levels. So that's the reason I'm here. We just took out this 4-hour swing on Russell, and we're at the liquidity point. We're at the liquidity, so we're looking for a little bit of a move off this liquidity here. They've just taken it. Could be a dump and then a pump at open. Or they could just hold this right here. They are gaining the 1 minute. What a move in crypto. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit, guys. Since I'm here early, we can go over some of this shit. Couple of earnings reviews to go over. Fuck, 17 of them. This one doesn't look too bad. I'm gaining the weekly and then pumping off the weekly. Not bad. This has to be a regular size chart for it to be good. God damn it, man. Why, you know? The old weekly gain retest, MRT, going in there, firing it in. Signals, get your signals here. Get your signals. Get your signals. Free signals. All free. Get your signals here. Get your signals. Like. Vike Holdings, untested weekly support. Okay. Okay. Vike Holdings. Viking Holdings. Send the signals. Get your signals here. Get your signals. Weekly support. Weekly support. This didn't save? Fucking save it, man. Get your signals here. Get your signals. We got weekly support signals coming in. Weekly support signals. Get your signals here. Get your signals. Get your signals. Let's just check out Wolfie here for a minute. Look and see what's going on, Wolfie. Wolfie. A little out of our league here. Not really my cup of tea. Not really my cup of tea. KC, what's this? What's this now? KC. Nah. Not really my cup of tea either. Getting the weekly, but this is still far away. It's too far away now. Get your signals here. Get your signals. That's it for you guys today. Couple. Morning brief. Any heaters today? Nah. Was that pump from the FOMC minutes yesterday? What happened in that meeting? Did they say anything? Was there anything good happening? Let's check out some of these pre-markets. Baba. Dunking on pre-market into weekly support. Dunking it. I love it. Walmart. Walmart. Gonna take out the lows. Weekly support. Getting pretty close, I would say, to weekly support. I'd probably look at it here. Might as well fire it in there. Dunking it on earnings. We got a nice dunker for Walmart on earnings. Walmart dunks. Dunks on earnings. I can't spell. Earnings. Can I really not spell earnings? Oh yeah, I can't. Dunks on earnings. Those two weekly support. Weekly support. Dunks it. Walmart dunks on earnings. Oh God, just dunk it. Get that in the publish. Publishka. What else we got here? What was I looking at here before? Earnings calendar, that's right. What else we got? DE. Dell at the weekly support, high in range though. Why did this fucking thing run up so much over the last little while, man? Like why did Dell have like such a fucking run, man? Is it just AI? That's it? Dell up 300% on AI? Really? Dell up that much this year on AI? That's crazy, man. Dell weekly support. Dell weekly support. I won't put this out because it's so fucking high. It's like not. I wouldn't buy this thing. So that's it from that. Crypto movers. Can have a look and see. Should really just check in on these markets here for a second. Russell in the liquidity zone, right? We got the liquidity zone heater on Russell. Liquidity zone. Will they hold this swing? Who knows? But this is the zone to hold it. We will be watching this. I'd like to take longs here. I'd like to take 15 contracts long. I think, yeah, honestly, if they gain it right here, I'm going long. I got to start like trying to pass some of these accounts, man. I only have 2 weeks left, and I've like this account's only made $500. I need to step up the game here a little bit. It's either going to be winning or losing, I think. One or the other. Yeah, Russell gaining here. Let me get in. Let's try it. Uh-oh. Still down, maybe. I think I only took 5. I'm gonna buy this swing today on Russell. Big. They're trying to gain this. Market open in like an hour though, man. Long time still. Yeah, they're gaining this. I'm in with 10. Mm. Mm. A little bit of a move. All right, we got 15 long on Russell. Let's see if they can pump this. They have game the 1 minute. We'd be looking for a little bit of liquidity, at least back up to here, man. I'd like to see a 5 minute gain and then a move like up to here. We'll take half off on that, or 5 off on the gain of the 5 minute. I think this pumps though, man. This looks like a pumper. How about ES? Let's look at ES here for a sec. ES could go a little bit further down. Not quite at the level yet. Well, YM. YM looks scary. YM looks a little bit scary. I have gained the 1 minute too, but looks a bit scary. I think I like Russell the best. CL banged it out, yeah. Time to look at CL. Yeah. This looks like it's headed. It's on its way, I think. This is next, 91. I honestly think it's going even higher than that. I think this is going to 150. You know, I did tell you guys about that too. Anyway, let's manage this Russell trade. Come on, Russell. Just fucking pump it one time and gain the 5 minute. Dude, I've been trying to get the logic into the AI thing for the Pine script. It's fucking hard, dude. It's way harder than I thought it was going to be, man. Really. I thought it was going to be like relatively easy, but it's not at all. It's like I'm talking around in circles with this fucking thing. You know, it's just, I don't know, not the greatest, man. Just feels like it's a big waste of time. Like I've been talking to it for like fucking days. It's been days, man. Where it's like I talk to it all day long about how to fucking structure trading, and it can't understand me. It's drawing lines in the wrong, keeps drawing lines in the wrong place and shit. And then I just get frustrated and swear at it, man. It's like it's not very good for me. It's not very good for my health. Tired, bro. Okay, Russell. Gain the 5, bro. What's up, Craftsman? Welcome back, brother. Welcome back. Gonna do some loosey-goosey trading today, man. I'm just longing. No stop. I'm just long. Just try to pass this account. If Russell dunks this, I'm longing more. Yeah, man. I don't understand, man. Like it's been a while. I've been talking to it for literally 3 days, man. 3 days of just nonstop trying to explain to it trading. It's L5 here at the 5 minute gain. $10 left. Let's have some runners though today. Yeah, I'm about to flip because Grok's not doing it, you know. I tried with Grok. It's not working. Grok was fine for coding. Grok is fine too, man. Like as far as like just general coding is concerned, it coded all this stuff on the stream. But for logic, it's I don't know. It's just hard. It's hard to explain trading, man, if you don't understand it, you know. Okay, cool. Yeah, man, I'll check it out. That's what my buddy Mike said too. He said you should be using Claude, but Codex is what ChatGPT has. I didn't even try that for the trading bot yet, but I will try. I'll try Claude. It's fine. I'm gonna bang my head against the wall with these. I have 2 subscriptions right now, so I'll wait till those run out, and then I'll try it with the other one. It's just about getting the logic in there, man. It shouldn't be that difficult, you know. I just want to get it in there, man. And then we're gonna need beta testers, so like then we're gonna need you guys. After it's ready and good to go. First we'll use it to make sure it's good. It almost had the bias down correctly, almost. I think this takes the lows still, man. You never know though, it could just go. Buys in ES and NQ. Buys across the board. YM pumping too. Let's check. Let's check. YM did hold. They gained that 1 minute and held. See if they gain that 5. Did ES and NQ already gain the 5 minute? I think they did. Yeah, they did. They're gaining the 5 now. Wow. Looks like longs might play here for a little bit. ES didn't really get up to where they need to though, you know? You need to get above that. And they didn't get down to where they need to either. That's why I kind of think that this is headed still a little bit more down. I'm gonna take 5 more on a sweep of this. Come on, Russell. Just pump it a little bit. God damn. And then we'll hold 5 for running. We'll run with 5, man. Please. Russell. Why don't you follow your friends, man? Why don't you follow your friends, Russell? So, how goes the trading? Did you guys make any money on the crypto pump, man? Should have bought more of that shit, man. Really. Nice, Crossman, good. Still could go a little bit further. I can't remember exactly where the... Let's just look at ETH Bitcoin here for a sec. So ETH Bitcoin did gain the weekly and they retested. the weekly swing, so didn't quite get to the box, but almost. They're re-achieving the weekly here too. We'll see if they close this weekly here. ETH's going to be a really good play, man. I might move money back into ETH. We'll see how this weekly closes out, man. It's going to be an important week here for crypto. See how this week closes out. Yeah, it's not a bad idea, man. Honestly, target the highs. Like just leave it, because if you got half decent positions, it's, you know, it's worth the risk to just have like just leaving runners. You know, I used to do it all the time, man, in crypto when I was like actively trading it. I'd always just leave it with like no target. You know what I mean? Just leave runners. I know what's his face? Skinner does that all the time too. He just leaves runners. He never sells it all. You know, he'll always have like a little bit left. I'll be looking to add to this position on a sweep of the lows. This is an account that I need to start passing, man. So I need to start trading it. I need to either pass or fail these accounts, you know. I only have 2 weeks left. I have 2 weeks left on some of these, and they're only like, this one's only up $600. It needs to be up $2,000, you know. So 2 weeks, $600 is not enough. I need to like start upping my trades. It's because I'm trading one account a day. So like on every account I have, it's like they're up $600, but it's just not enough. It's not fast enough. I should have already been past some of these accounts, you know. Russell trying to gain the 5 here. Not yet. Not yet. Having a bit of trouble. There we go. There we go. This will be oh, you missed it. This will be the profit target. All right, 5 left. 112 on the day. This will be the runner, or I'll add more to the position if we go below this. Runner till where though, man? Just leave it. Runner until the 15-minute sweep. Moon? I don't know about Moon. I don't know about Moon and Russell, but I'd like to see some kind of a pump. You know? Maybe the hourly right here. This hourly. pump till there. That would be good if it pumped till there. Hour liquidity for half and then pump till there for the rest. That sounds like a pretty good idea. Hour liquidity here for half. Right here. So 2, even the smaller half. Not sell market, just sell 2. And then 3 at the hourly swing. Here. 3. That's the trade, and I'm leaving it. That will only change if we get new lows, and I'll add more to the position, and I can trade down a little bit. Now the question is, should I re-add here on the 5 minute? What do you guys think? Moon? They did gain the 5. What's up, Chris? Will I be having crypto signals? Yeah, there will be. There already is, man, in the Discord. I already have it. I'll show you. Like right now it's set up. You need to know how to trade though first, right? So that's the thing about these signals. They're not just like buy here, you know. You need to kind of know how to trade first before you take signals. Yes, sir, Riyadh. We'll see how this 5 minute closes first. I'm in the Discord under AI signals beta. This has crypto signals too. But you need to understand what you're looking at here, you know, before you just start trading all willy-nilly. I should really separate it out. Like this one gained the weekly and is retesting, right? So this one is a half decent signal, even though this is a piece of shit, you know what I mean? So you really can't give it too much clout, but this did gain the weekly, so this still will most likely have a trade in here. It's gained, so probably see some kind of a movement in there. I know there's crypto in here, man. I saw it before. Did I just see theta? No. I don't know, bro. But yeah, there's some in here. If you guys want, I can separate that out and put it so it's like the US markets and the crypto markets. But you need to know what you're looking at first before you start taking these signals, you know. But these are all very good, you know, it's very good info. It's a very good screener. It's very good information. If you know what you're looking at. If you don't know what you're looking at, then probably not. You know what I mean? Because you won't know what you're looking at. Look at these markets go, man. 25 minutes until the open. I think we still sweep the lows, man. We might sweep the lows still on this thing. Just back up to 5. This isn't very convincing, you know, here yet. No volume on the Russell gain, you know? The big level to get above is this here. It's basically where they stopped it. I do put crypto signals in like the main signals channel every once in a while though. Re-added. This looks a little dumpy though. Yeah, got to get into the Claude, man. Talking with Chat GPT just isn't cutting it anymore. I was trying to explain to them first tests on a 4-hour and like it was just like talking to a brick wall, basically. First tests on a 4-hour swing. Try to explain that to a robot. I started having to use like ICT terminology so it would understand what I'm talking about, at least kind of, you know. It didn't understand gains or losses. Like it just didn't understand, man. Like not very good. Like literally, Craftsman, it's been 3 days of 8-hour days of me talking to the AI, and still we're nowhere. You know what I mean? So stupid, man. Yeah, I'll try that. I don't know if that's in Grok or not. Grok's pretty unbiased anyway. I found that the AIs are mostly yes men, you know what I mean? Like when I was trying to like spitball ideas, you know, and then they were just anything I would say, oh yeah, that's a good idea. And then I'd say, well, what about this? And just give like complete opposite idea. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. You know what I mean? And then they go into why it's a good idea. Like it's kind of stupid, man. Really. And then when I need them for the technical part, like the actual fucking logic and the code, they can't fucking figure it out, you know? It's not so smart, really. It's pretty cool that they can fucking code, and if you have an idea, like a general idea, you can bring it to life with them coding. That's pretty cool. Like I'm gonna make an application for my business that just handles all the scheduling, so I don't have to do it anymore. That's gonna be good. You know what I mean? So it's good that'll be very easy to do for them. It's very simple logic, right? But as soon as it gets complex and there's like nuances to it, forget it, man. It's fucking hard. It's next to impossible. I've found anyway. I'll keep trying at it, but I don't know. My hopes are a little bit more shot down than they were when I first started. I thought it was going to be very easy, but definitely not. Also, I can't get the fucking 2FA working on the Discord, so I can't get one of those I can't get a custom Discord link, man, without having 2FA on. I can't get it on. It won't work. Maybe I'll try with my girlfriend's phone. Maybe it's just my phone. I don't know though, man, really. Maybe just in some parts of the world 2FA just doesn't work. I had a feeling they might take the lows. We'll be adding 10 more on a sweep of the lows. I can't believe that all the markets are dumping and crypto's pumping. I never thought I'd see it happen. At this 310, 7 points down. 3010. Just a little bit lower. Like down here. Might be putting up a loss today, boys. There might be a loss going in today. I just want to like just pass this account. Can we just pass it already? We got about 15 until the open. I think it's going to be a dump and then a pump on Ruski for this open. Dump, take the lows, get around 310 and then go. I'm just going to put in buy orders down here just in case it gets crazy. That's what we're looking at. Yeah. Something like that. I need to look at this. I just can do it over here. It's fine. Yeah, 310, around 310. Liquidity is here. Just a little early on it than really it was. They still might hold it here. You never know. Yeah. RTY is always a weirdo like that. They do that very frequently where they sweep and then go, you know, and they do that all the time. Sweep the level, give you an early warning signal, sweep the level and then go. I think this account's like pass or blow up today. Fuck it. One shot, yeah. Well, I've already been shooting it. It's up $600. It needs to be up 25 more, 100 more, so. If I take a big position though, I can't hold it because I can't let it go against you when you're up. Like if I'm up a grand, I have to take some PTs. I have to. Yeah, that's right. Exactly. That's why I have 5 and I rotate them. So if I blow one up, it's fine. I have 4 other ones. And then I just replaced the one I blew up. Because last time I got to payout, and I even got past it a little bit longer, and I kept grinding and I got to like 17 grand or so. It was around 17 grand or 16 something on 3 accounts. And then I was like, cool, I'm gonna take the payout. So I took the payout, and then I was back to square one, right? So I just started trading again, and then I ended up blowing the accounts because I had a bad week. You know, I had a couple bad days, and then it was like the next day, it was like, your account's blowing up. So then I was like, I'm never doing that again, man. Like, because it's just not worth it, man. You know what I mean? You're like trading prop, you're always gonna blow up accounts, always. Like, it's just the way it is, man. You're always just gonna end up blowing up accounts, and to make any real money, you need to fucking be risking bigger. So even the risking that I'm doing is small potatoes, man. I should be going like the full account. Make 6K to get 1K? No. You make 90%. So when you take the payout, you get the payout, but then you're back to the same stipulation as you were before with the drawdown. Better just take payouts. Oh no. I'm gonna take 3K. But that's what I'm doing with these accounts now. As soon as they get payout, I take the full payout. And then if I end up blowing up the account, oh well, I just start from fresh again. It's not a big deal. You know what I mean? Honestly, one of the accounts that I'm trading in here already was at payout, and I didn't notice, and I just kept trading. And then I ended up I had a bad day. I lost $800, so now it's not at payout anymore. Stupid, man. I should just, as soon as they get to payout, I'm taking the payout. And then if I blow up the account after, I'll just start again from fresh. Hey, market 6 minutes. I'm gonna have a smoke first. Be back. I'll watch this from outside in case something happens. Okay, 3 minutes until the open. Russell looks like it's going to take the lows here. Oh, look at moth. Yeah, even mothy. All right, boys, let's lock in. Let's lock in for the dump and then the pump. Come on, let's do it. We already long a bit. No, if it dumps, we're adding more. Might blow up this account today, or hit the $1,000 down draw. Let's see. Let's see what happens. It's all right. I think we dump first, take the lows. "19 seconds. There's the lows. One more added. 15 long. Taking off the 5 that were on. I missed it. Come on, Russell. Come on, Ruski. You can do it, buddy. Look at ES, man. Look at NQ. Look at them go. Should have traded you guys instead. Instead of dicking around here with the Russell, not moving. A little bit of selling on Bitcoin. Hey, taking 5 off here. All right, 152 on the day. We're gonna remove these. I think we'll leave them. It's fine in case it goes down. We're leaving our runner targets, man. Let's see a fucking pump, Russell. Come on, buddy. Come on, you can do it. Just hold this range, man. Just hold this fucking range, man. Come on, Russell. Go with your friends. Go with the other markets. $24. This should be at 29, really. All right, this one's close enough. Pushing it. All right, man. 225 on the day. 5 left. 5 runners left, boys. Just push it, Russell. I gotta take 2 more off, man. I have to, man. 2 more off, just 3 left. Push it, Russell. Should I do Riads, guys? What do you think? Riads, gain the 15 minute. I can do Riads. Three left. Taking 2 more here, man. No, I didn't do it. Here comes the Riads. Push it a little more, Russell. Riad's coming in.
Order filled. Order filled.
Back to 10 long. Just a little pump it, Russell. Pump it like your friends, man. All right, taking 5 off. 5 left. I'll take 2 more off here. 3 left. We're not entering anymore, and I'm going to get the stop and a profit on this. I'm getting the stop and a profit. Sell stop 3. Stop and a profit. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. And that's it, man. 463 on the day. Maybe a little bit more room for runners, but I think a stop out is coming. I think new lows are coming. Stopped out. 465. 465 on the day. 465. We'll take it. We'll take it to the bank. I'd like to have more than that, but it's fine. I'll take that to the bank. So now what are we gonna do? What do you guys think, man? Another win. Another day, another win. I'm not trading anymore today. That's really all. That's really it for today. What charts you guys got me to look at? Get the receipts go in the Discord. Fuck yeah, let's go. ITC. Yeah, you know me. We talking ITC. $465 on the day. Not bad. You know, I'll take that. It's fine. %90 win rate. Fuck, I've been killing it in here lately, man, really. I'm on a little bit of a time crunch with these ones. I have 2 more weeks. This one's at $1,000. So I have 2 more weeks to get another 2 grand. So I have to make $1 grand a week. per account. So I don't know what I'll have to do. There might be a little bit of shenanigans on the last week for the accounts. Russell's looking pretty good to go. They're gaining this 4 hour where they need to hold. So they need to hold this level. And they are. So this looks pretty good for higher. Too bad I got stopped out. Should have just put my stop at the bottom, you know, instead of in profit. Oh well. What can you do? Should we look around for any more trades, or should that really just be it? I hate how this thing is set up, man. That's not bad if I leave this thing open. Kind of takes care of it. ITC Limited. Testing a tested weekly level. Usually when it's tested like that, they usually sweep it. They almost did. But yeah, this was tested right here. Did they gain a 4 hour? Could wait at the very least until the 4 hour gains. I kind of feel like they're going to take the liquidity out from underneath that. I was going to type daily. Oh man, fuck, I'm tired. What else do we got underneath here? This is fine how it was. Next thing down is this. This weekly is kind of tested. Not really though. Could argue for that weekly too. Same kind of setup like Bitcoin really. They may hold it. Maybe. So what do you guys think, man? Is there any confusion? Do you guys want to go over crypto one more time, because crypto's probably had like a whole bunch of gains? XRP gain in the weekly. Everything's gaining the weekly. So the crypto, like the AI scanner is going to go ballistic this week in crypto, because it's going to post it'll post every chart. I think I have a limit set to how many it can post, but this is gaining the weekly now. So like look on you know, this was the area, dude. So like on a retest of that, you need to be buying it, right? I know I wanted things lower. I only bought a little bit, but you know, you need to be buying crypto now. Even if you think that it should go lower, it gained a weekly, right? Sol gained the weekly against BTC too. So that means Sol is a better bet than BCC. Let me just see XRP, BTC. XRP hasn't gained the weekly yet against Bitcoin. So we'll see. It's going to be a kind of an important level. Depends how much allocation I should do to my XRP. Let's just see Doge. Doge still hasn't. Doge still more down, I think. I think Doge more down. What other cryptos is there? Link, BTC. So Link looks pretty good. Link gained this weekly, and then they held the shit out of it after this big sweep. So, you know, it's a classic move. It's the classic entry, you know what I mean? After a big sweep, and then, you know, gain. I talk about this one all the time, right? Right? The gain, the sweep, the re-achievement, and then the test of this. They didn't really re-achieve anything, but still similar kind of pattern. Now, this is pretty on par for crypto, you know what I mean? Coming into the midterms, they usually have a pump. This is very regular. And then usually that's followed by a dump. Like this was the midterms before last time right here. This was the midterms and then they dumped it. Or no, sorry. This was the midterms right here and then they dumped it. I believe this was the midterms. Or that might have been the election. So like this was the midterms and then they dumped it. Yeah, that was it. This was the midterms and then they dumped it. So I just keep an eye on it. They still might dump it, but at this point now, you need to buy this level. You know what I mean? Like this level, it needs to be bought now. If they close it up here and they don't sell it off in the next 2 days and close like right at this level or below, then you need to buy this level. That's just how this works. I wanted lower. I only got like, you know, maybe 30, not even 30% of my portfolio is back, and I'm still holding a lot of cash. But now I have to buy 65. So I'll be buying 65 for this move. My short stops are here. So I'll be buying 65. I'll be buying lots here. If we even get the opportunity. I still have a lot of crypto. I still keep a lot in Bitcoin, but I do have some cash that I was adding to it, the positions. I just I didn't get it all in. I thought it was going lower. You know, we're short from here, from this, the retest of this. I took shorts. Once we started having failures in here, I took shorts around 95. So I took PTs here on this dump off of this. Took some PTs at the lows when we had a gain here, and then took PTs again on the sweep of this, and then took PTs again on the sweep of this. I was about 50% out of my shorts. So I still have more. I because I was expecting lower, I still have shorts for down here. It's funny, I have no problem holding onto my position when it's in my long-term investments. Just with this short-term trading, I always have problems holding the position. It's a good thing I didn't though, because look, Russell just fucking dumped it. Look at this dump in these markets. Uh-oh. That's a pretty serious dump on NQ, man. $65. Yeah, that's not tested. They blasted it. So like, yeah, this area, man, really. This area right here, underneath this, from 67 to 65 is like, that's the buy zone. You need to be buying. Probably lower in that range, if we're around 66 or something like that. Look to see where the fair value gap is on the longer term chart, or on like the 4-hour chart. I can do that. 4-hour. Well, it's just a giant fucking fair value gap, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Go down to the 1 hour. Yeah, even the 1 hour is a massive fair value gap. So, hey, you know, they wouldn't make it easy. It's gonna be this range though, from here to here. I'll put that big, I'll leave this big squiggly line so we don't forget. Just in case we were gonna forget. Well, they just leave this just in case. This is how I chart. Okay, Russell, you're breaking the lows again. What do you guys think? Riyadh, should we continue to trade? What do you guys think, man? Tell me what to do. Are we trading or no? I think maybe around, if it goes down to 310, then maybe. Looks kind of spooky though, man, really. I don't like it. I don't love it. I don't even really love 310. But 310 is untested. Let me just check here. Around 310. Yeah. The hourly. Yeah, 310 is the hourly. I think a little bit lower. If it goes there, I will buy it. 309. Oh man, I love how when you can't put lines on some of the charts. Why, man? You know, I just want to put a line right here. You know, no, I can't. So stupid, dude. Sometimes this software just pisses me off. Maybe because it's too far away from the price. Is that a thing? Oh yeah, maybe. It's alright. I just won't. I'll just always leave a line on the chart. There we go. Fuck, I should guess I'm loading this back up again. 5 contracts. Here we go. Russell breaking the lows. Russell breaking the lows again. Fucking load it up. Load it up. Patience. Patience. Patience, little one. Any of you new people, make sure you guys join the Discord. There's tons of signals going out in there. I have AI scanning the fucking whole stock market and the top 750 cryptos. It's going to be putting in there in the AI scanner. We'll be popping shit in there when it gains the weekly. There'll be a lot in crypto that gains the weekly this week, so maybe next week will be a big week for entries for crypto. But yeah, links below in the description if you're watching on YouTube. Everything's free right now. We are working on an AI bot. Fuck, it's like the bane of my existence right now. That fucking AI bot talking to AI. Jesus Christ, I just want to punch it in the stupid AI face. It doesn't understand anything. New low Russell. It's so stupid. Still eyeing up 310 here. But yeah, there will be an automatic trading bot coming soon. That's probably going to be a paid thing, but we will be looking for beta testers. But there's lots of free stuff in there for you know, people who are traders. There's tons of free signals in there for you. Like I said, I have it scanning the markets. It scans the entire stock market. 11,000 charts on Friday. It scans it all weekend between Friday and Sunday, and then pops them out on Sunday. And then crypto it scans on after the weekly close. So it gives you guys weekly signals there. So at least you have an idea of like the weekly bias, you know what I mean? Hey Russell, a little bit more, please. Is that all you're gonna give? That might be it. That might be it, man. It might be it for Russell. We might not have got our entries. It will still add if it goes down there, but I don't know. Now it's looking like it doesn't want to. Come on, man. Pretty close. In for 5. In for 10. All right, in for 15. See a pop. This is the exact level right here. Pop it. Oh, they might test the bottom of it. Uh-oh. Bottom of it's kind of tested already. You kind of really want to see them pop this. We might still blow up this account today, boys. Yeah, we in a trade. We down in a trade for sure. Yeah, I thought we were done too, but then Russell bombed out, and they hit the 1 hour untested 1 hour. Okay, just lightening the load a bit here. Come on, Russell. Let's have a nice pump backups. Just pump it. There we go. There we go. Pop it, man. Okay, taking another 5 off. Just nothing but lose money on this trade so far. At least I have a really good entry now. All right, taking another 5 and 5, and the stop's going to profit for the rest. Sell stop 5, yeah. Okay, so we'll see if that pans out. It may probably just get stopped out. 453, so I lost $10 by doing that. It's all good. See if we did not get stopped out. Don't get stopped out, man. Don't just get stopped out, man. Don't just get stopped out. Just pop it one time for me. Why? God, man, why? Always. You always just stop me out. Oh, God, why? Why can't you just pop it one time just straight instead of fucking stopping me out, man? Trading! Yeah, it looks like a stop out coming on this bullshit. That's too bad. Outside chance still. Maybe. No re-add for me, that's for sure. So I need to redo this then. I really should stop posting in there until I know I'm done for the day. Well, I'm gonna go have a cigarette. The stop's in here. We'll see if we can get a pop. I'm looking for higher, like much higher. If they do pop this, I'd be looking for like up in this candle somewhere. So we have a little bit to wait. I'm just gonna go for a smoke. I'll be right back. Oh, new lows on Russell. No. Stopped out. Oh, well. It was basically break even, or I made $10 more than I did. So that'll be it. That'll be it for today. I still like this level though. It could pop. Do you guys want me to look at any charts or anything before I go? Last call. Last call for charts. Last call. Last call for charts. Any charts? 75% win rate. 459. Ding ding. We'll put that in there. It's looking pretty rough for Russell. This would be it. One more shot on Russell. What do you think? It looks pretty rough though. It looks pretty rough. This is it right here. Bottom of this. They're already past it. I don't really like it. I liked it better if they bounced the top, but they didn't. Just have a look at YM here real quick. YM gained the 5, tested area, coming back to retest it. Dirty. I don't really love it. I don't really love it. I pass then if I don't love it. That's kind of the rule of thumb. If it's not a fuck yeah, it's a no. Yeah, this looks like it's headed down to now. ES looks like it's going down to the 1 hour. They did close the 4 hour above this, but it still doesn't look very good to me. All right, let's look at a couple of Craftsman's charts here, or Cool's charts. Jofflin, okay. Joyfin Industries. Look at the daily. Look at the daily. Look at the daily. I had this line in kind of the wrong spot. It's supposed to be there. Yeah. Yeah, this is the spot. We need to wait for them to gain something, right? Did they gain a 4 hour? Did they gain a 1 hour? They did gain a 1 hour. Be all right for a trade. This is kind of the spot that you want to see them bounce. They did gain the 1 hour. They're failing the 4 hour though. They're failing this 4-hour continuation down, so, and this. Look at that short. Wow. Perfect. Yeah, this is an entry spot for sure. You'd want to see them hold above that, right? So if they continue to hold above that and they have another daily close above that, then I would say, yeah, go for it. And if they close today above that, then I would say, yeah, it should be good for a go to test this. Is Russell bouncing this? Rust dog? They did try to have a little bounce. No gain though. Wow, they took it right down to it, yeah? Didn't take the liquidity, basically put in a double low. Yeah, basically a double low. I wouldn't buy this. They might pop it, but this is super risky at this point. Just gonna take my $459 and, you know, call it a day. Call it a day for trading. All right, so that's gonna be it. Thank you guys all for stopping in. Appreciate you guys. Like I said, if you're new here, don't forget to join the Discord. There's tons of shit in there for you guys. If you just type links in chat, it should show up. And yeah, we'll be back tomorrow with a new account. Yeah, there's the Discord link. See you later, cool. Peace out, everybody.